picked up this KX125, and it looks like it's got good bones. It actually starts up, but cosmetically it definitely needs a lot of help. So we're gonna take it apart and see what we're working with and go from there. All right, so the plastics are off, the exhaust is off, forks are off. The forks are a mess. Definitely need to be rebuilt. Their seals are leaking everywhere. Looks like they barely have fluid in them. The chain was rusted as hell and was a real pain in the ass to get off, but we got it. And here's how we're looking. It's a little rough, but not too bad. Gonna keep going forward with disassembly here. Get the radiators off, the airbox, the carb, throttle, brake, all that good stuff, and take a good look at the motor and see what we're facing here. Stay tuned. All right, well, we're kind of getting down and through it here. The spark plug was absolutely fried. I don't know how that thing is still working. And, we got the radiators off, got soaked with coolant, and now I think we're going to try to get this motor off and see what we're dealing with. Not a lot more today than I thought I was going to do. You're going to help hold the frame steady while we get this motor off. So just try not to let the whole thing fall over. Okay, ready? Did it. All right, here we have it. It's got some wear, but it's like the V-force reed valve system, but the boots dry rotted and cracked. And got some rust. But get it cleaned up, opened up, take a look at the innards. Most likely gonna have to rebuild the full top and bottom end. Case looks okay thus far, it's not cracked. So that's good. So we'll see. The car was in decent shape, actually. I haven't opened it up yet, but take a look here. Slide looks new. Cable's mangled. Throttle's mangled.